Hi Mustangs, and we're going to be working on rounding, and we're looking at a couple different things. The question's asking you to round the number to the nearest hundreds. Now remember, when you're rounding a number, you need to remember what are the place values of each of the digits. So when we look at this, we're going to say, okay, so this 9 is in the ones, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands. Okay, so we have those places for each of those numbers. Okay. So, because those are in those particular place values, we need to remember that we have to find which digit is in the hundreds place value. Well, we know that this 9 right here, that's in the ones. This 9 here is in the tens. And this 1, this digit right here, this 1, that's a digit. That digit is in the hundreds place value. So, because that digit is in the hundreds place value, we have to say, okay, that is the digit we're going to look for. So we have to round. This is the number we're going to round, so we got to circle it. Okay? So please take out your whiteboard marker, write down the number 8,199, please. Pause the video while you do that. Okay, so now that you've written it down, and you've circled the digit that's in the hundreds, you need to look to the number on the right-hand side and decide, this 9 needs to help the 1. And is that number, is that 9 strong or weak? Because remember, 0 through 4, they are weak. They cannot help. They just leave. They can't help. If it's 5 through 9, they are strong. And they can push the number up. Okay? So 1 is asking for help from 9. Okay? 9 is being asked for help. It's saying, help me. So 9 is strong, okay? 9 is strong, and it can help the 1. So it'll make the 1 become a 2. 8 doesn't change. 8 stays the same because he's not asking for help. He's just hanging out there. 1 is asking for help, and 9 says, I can help you. I'm strong. I'll make you 2. So 1 becomes the 2. 9, after he helps, leaves because he doesn't need to stay around. He becomes a 0, and he takes everybody behind him with him because nobody else needed help. So he just takes the whole entire party with him. So he says, we're done. Bye. So he takes everybody and leaves. So then if we're looking at the number below here, we're going to say, okay, so what number is in the thousands? Because that's what we're looking at. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We're looking at that number right there. 0 is going to ask 4 for help. And if we look up here, we notice that 4 is weak. If the number is weak, it doesn't help. Everything leaves. So the 4 stays because he doesn't care. He's not asking for help. He's just hanging out. 9 doesn't care. He's hanging out too. 0 is asking for help, but 4 can't help him, so 0 doesn't get any help. He stays the same. 4 then leaves with everybody in his party because he can't help. Okay? So 4 takes everybody with him. Okay? So, again, this is how you round. If you have questions or concerns, please see a teacher. All right, work on the problem. See you soon.